reason for debate is internet is boon or bad. Nowadays we live in the 21st century. This is called the era of technology. Here we see almost in every single home there is a cell phone available and there is an internet connection available. If not available, there is a target of government to provide internet connection to every single home. But there is always a question. When we are launching anything, we have to think about pros and cons. So the question is it really beneficial or it is harmful? Because we some around us that a lot of people died playing PUBG. I saw many dangerous video games are there running on the internet, and the people are addicted and thereafter they are died. On the other hand, we see so many people are there who are learning something using internet. So here we have two teams. First team which is saying that internet is really beneficial, we should use it in the right way, and second team is here which is saying that internet is not as much as beneficial as much it is harmful. So I would like to start the topic, and first of all I would like to ask to Mr. Aryan. He will initiate this and then you guys can take it. अब किसी का नाम नहीं है, मैंने बोल दिया उससे स्टार्ट कर ला बाकी तुम लोग.
In my opinion, internet provides us many educational videos and more important videos. In my opinion, some time ago, if you want to go anywhere and you does not know the correct locations, so you face many difficulties to find the correct location. But in present time, you does not know the correct location. You search in the Google Maps. Google Maps is a part of internet, and you find the correct location. So in my opinion, internet is very useful for our daily life.
According to me, internet is not good for us, because many kinds of people are addicted to wrong websites, and we can see that many kinds of people and many kinds of boys are addicted to mobile phone, and they are playing.
Yeah, I agree with him that in this time we are saying that educational internet is very important. But 90% mother said that in the lockdowns my son addicted to the phones, and he is addicted to the phone and his eyes were going lost. I think it is bad for us if we are not if we are doing a lot of work at the internet.
Sorry friend, I disagree with you that it is our responsibility that what our kids do and what we are do, and if we are lazy then it is cause, and because we are not see that what our family group or any member do.
But I agree with my friend.
How can you say that if the children can learn more than the offline classes? If you are going to the school, if you are learning an offline teacher, I think this is the best for our student, and also teacher can also take care of the child, how whose child is good, whose child is bad.
I agree with my friend that internet is not good for us, because we can do our work from home, but we cannot get good atmosphere for the work.
Yeah, we can interrupted by the family members. We can
सामने वाले को तो बोलो डिबेट के नाम पे हमें.
How can you say that the internet is good for us?
Internet is very good for us. If we talk about social media and all platform for we use for study and many family type of things, as we use WhatsApp for sharing PDFs, Telegram for sharing PDFs and study materials. There we can say that the internet is very useful for us.
As nowadays people are using too much the internet, and in my thinking when people are very busy in their mobile, and addiction of mobile family relation are very
Addiction is not the problem of
let me discuss and family relation are going wrong there, because when we are phone, we are whole day I am busy on mobile, then we cannot look care of a child and we cannot look care of his parents.
Yes, you are right, but that's the problem of their parents, not
Yes,
not
not
about
that-
the
If you are responsible of the child, how can it possible that the child will not be addicted? Because mentality is too low of the children to understand what is bad, what is wrong.
It is our mislead. What you child learn that what we are doing, but it is our mislead that we are addicted. We are also addicted of internet. But
sorry to interrupt you, but I can say that if you know the internet provides sometimes many bad things, and as you example a blue whale game, that if you know that games many students and boys are suicide them, and their parents are very misleading for.
I want to add a more point. then now by the internet kidnapping not going on too much. But we can search, we can find out anyone by and
You are
kidnap
talking
the
about
little
blue
boy.
whale like games and losing lives of
Please make your
children.
question.
Yes, I am talking. If we talk about just, you are talking about blue whale games, where the children, many children are died in blue whales game while playing, and internet is also used for blood donating. Where someone is dying, we can usually search someone's blood group, which is available nearby, which cannot be searched without internet. So if we are losing one life, then we are adding 100 or more than 100 lives by using blood.
Okay, if the people have the mentality to give the donate of the blood, people can go to the hospital and also
You
can
have
donate
not, you have not
donate.
that much options.
The people,
But online you have more
people will
options.
be connected to the hospital if he have mentality to donate the blood.
Maybe his blood group is O. Then if there is no
The people
O,
should firstly should go to the hospital after checkup that they can know
Yeah,
know the blood group O or AB.
let me clear, there are many websites. They are offering you free blood in your city. We are talking about, if we talk about Ghatanpur, there is two blood group banks in Ghatanpur also. I have searched it, and that's why I am telling that internet.
What is the matter of the internet? How can, if the person is going for the blood donate, he can do for the physically and donate blood.
Yes, we have to physically give, not online.
Yeah.
We have to physically give, but we can
But there is
search.
no
Many of people as you are already setting. You are also have.
I want to ask a question. You just said. I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
You just said there are many kidnapping cases are occurring due to internet. Can you explain it?
Yes.
Yeah, why not?
Yes, your friend
By the
has
GPS system, by the WhatsApp, by the social medias, by the social media.
By
we can-
social media, we can also track someone's locations like
That is tracking is the problem.
But the kidnapper also can track, no?
Yeah, but that is
Accordingly,
10%. That is 10%, not 100%. That is 90%.
But my friend-
I think that the kidnapper can much track the children. If you are seeing the family will not be tracked our children, but kidnapper will be tracked of the big families.
That's very
According to survey, there is
possible.
in internet 70% pornographic videos are available in the internet.
Yes.
So,
But
it is not the part of internet. It is the part of ourselves that we are not internet. We cannot available on the internet. When we are opening any website on the internet, we find pornographic videos and then child are misleading.
You are
This is
such
the-
test videos.
Yes.
This is our responsibility to see good sides.
But when you see the sexy girls
Model.
when you see a hot girl on the
If we are going to the science, we can learn that it is less than less than the 12th class children have not at eligible and understand what is bad or good. If you are giving the internet to the boy and girl, they can addict. I think the family cannot be stop them.
But in my opinion, internet
But you can
provides
also
jobs to create videos, sites, and many.
And by the internet, we are posting the all pics where I am going, where I am here, where I am staying. Then by that, the kidnapper are going a month.
but it is not a part of internet. It is a part of internet. Then why we are doing? Then why we are using internet?
By the using of internet, we are using the social media.
Why you are using internet?
You are saying that
We are also saying that we should not be use of internet.
You are saying
very bad for us.
You are saying that internet is not good for us. Are you using WhatsApp?
We are using because government is giving me. If the government will not be giving the internet, we will not be used.
You are using. It means it's good for some reasons. That's not that one particular reason that we could not use internet for that one particular reason. There are some advantages of internet that we can express.
As we know that 90% of the advantages that can be used. As we
Please
know
explain what is the
that
advantage of the internet. Then I will reply.
You can share a lot of data to other countries, anywhere in the world and this is a big advantage that you can't say in.
How can you get internet? We can.
Why the government are banning the apps and all? Because it is a bad, no? Then when the government is banning the all apps and anything because hackers are going up. That's why the
Government is
It is a personal decision.
Wait.
No.
Government is
has
banning.
also banned these porn sites for which you
Yeah.
are talking about.
Yeah.
They have also banned that.
If you search, there you find.
No,
There is
not
a
on the
many
site.
porn
Not on
sites
the site.
There is
Yeah, we can I say that internet has pros and cons, but is there the more cons if you are using the internet?
We are here for talking about
disagree
internet. We are just discussing about porn. Are you guys
We
dumb?
are not discussing on the product. We are discussing on the losses of internet.
It is a subject of
Porn
internet.
also is the losses of internet.
As we know that 90% works are physically done, and can you describe that internet is useful for an illiterate and untaught people? Especially.
How can a can use the internet because we are saying that we should make the digital India? How can it possible that Blazer can make and is sued by the internet our life?
Listen,
I am going with my friend because
if
there
you are
are
talking
a
about-
lot of rural areas. There are a lot of people who doesn't know how to operate mobile.
When they use the internet, they allow and have the all data.
ट्यूशन पूछे बाद आंसर भी ले ले बोलो ट्यूशन से पूछ रहे हैं आप भूल जाओ
Let the chance. You should have to.
You should have to give me an answer all the questions. If you have answer,
You should have to take chance. I will not give chance.
We are in the favor that we have to take
That's why
You will hear on debate and you will have to take chance.
Yeah, that's why because in the topic internet there are many disadvantages, but there are
You are saying
only
disadvantage.
You are saying disadvantage.
You are saying disadvantage.
पूरी बात तो
we are
सुनो
also in the favor
there are many disadvantages and there are many advantages
Don't debate advantages.
पूरी बात तो सुन ले
But there are more
few advantages that
disadvantages, but there are many advantages. It is argument. You said that there are some illiterate persons who are not know how to run internet. But it is not a difficulty of the person. It is not a difficulty of the internet. It is difficulty of the person.
Illiterate person, and firstly we should be teachers, no? Then we should provide internet. But in this time we are giving the internet to the people. They are illiterate and they cannot use all data. Your parent to teach you. Yeah, how can you internet? We are illiterate. We are illiterate.
Then you are literate. Why are saying
Then you are illiterate. Why are saying internet bad? If you are illiterate, why you are saying internet is bad? Then you are illiterate. Why are you saying internet? I am
If you are illiterate, you can go out. It's not your problem.
I am able to use the internet. Then I am using the internet. But in the villagers are not using the internet.
As you saw PUBG game with the cause of internet that wasted a lot of time our children students.
You also use PUBG game and
I don't use.
And this is cause of internet.
If you are not using internet, then you are in my favor.
It is also affected of eyes and also the mentality.
As I explained, my eyes are not. I am using 7 to 8 hours per day. My eyes are not bad.
You are unfit. Unfitting your eyes.
I am not unfit.
If you are
per day I
using
use 7 to 8 hours.
using continuous mobile phone and using the
I
internet.
per day
and
use 7 to 8 hours and my eyes are not.
But you
continue not using. I use not using.
Now we can say that there is a more disadvantage.
No, I
You have purchased online course in career team Rakesh Adhawa because I know you personally.
Are you saying
This is wrong. You can go.
And then you are saying
go Delhi.
You are saying that online classes
15,000
You are saying that online classes is good. But what is the you all know that if you are going to the Rakesh Yadav classes in offline, it is much better than
It
online
is not
classes.
much better. It takes too much time.
You can say we can talk to the Rakesh sir. We cannot. Online classes we
In what
cannot talk
from
to
home
the
side,
Rakesh sir.
in what from home side, traffic is happening. They are screen.
But due to
as we know that internet increases cyberbullying and
I want to add something.
You know about cyberbullying?
because it is also
Anyone not use
Say just start. Let's
everyone use
Conclude करा लो
I want to
Okay, let's conclude.
I want to add one more point.
Okay.
Due to corona pandemic, it's not possible to attend offline class.
Okay.
That's why we are using internet to attend online class due to corona
only
pandemic.
you are using
We can do only for you and
Let
class.
it finish first, na?
okay. Please say.
But you have to need a guidance. Books cannot do that thing that internet can do. That's why we are attending online classes.
but they get not
your thing,
they
your
do not get
book doesn't have any matter. Okay.
Excuse me.
Now I would like to
Last.
conclude it. I would like to conclude it with adding the all points.
Okay.
If you are using the more internet, I think it is harmful for us. If you are using a less internet, it will be good advantage for us.
And last, I would like to conclude by saying that internet is useful or harmful both. It's totally depend upon our users. There is great proverb. There is nothing good or bad. It's
William Shakespeare.
It's fully depend upon mentality and circumstances which make things good or bad.
That's it.
Last, I conclude that.
Okay.
Last, I am concluded that internet are not a good or bad. It is depend upon the master that what we are master of the technology or we are servant. It is all dependent upon us.
I will conclude by saying that everything is connected with me is internet, and I get profit about more and more internet. Internet is very good for me, and I will use it as much as I can.
If you are good to the internet is good for you. If you are not good to the internet, it's bad for you.
If you will internet, then you will go.
Your turn has gone.
Because you know every coin has two faces with some advantage and some disadvantage, but when we actually need of internet, then we use and for the use, that is the advantage. And many times you can see many people a lot of time wasting in their internet.
And last, I would like to conclude that internet is useful for us and also it is harmful for us, because it is a great proverb said that there is nothing good or bad. If we use in a bad sense, it will be bad, and if we use in a right way, it will be good.
Internet has its own pros and cons. If we take it positive way, it is a good step. It is a good thing for us. And when we use it in negative sense, it is a really bad for us. It is our mentality in which method we take it.